Hi, this is Axel from Animo Engineering, and today I'm going to introduce our new Pro tool. This tool installs key locking inserts according to Boeing and Airbus spec. This means that this is a sub-flush installation, and this is done by our chamfered pins you see here on the tool, and also our lines on the plunger. So you might say to yourself, what is Boeing and Airbus spec? So usually inserts are installed sub-flush, and this is usually between a dimension of 0.25 to 0.76 millimeters. And we can control this by the lines on our tool. So firstly, you see the A line on our tool here, which is aligned with the bore of our tool, which receives the key of the key locking insert. Firstly, you just put the insert on the tool, put it in your parent material until it's flush. Then you mark it with the A line, and then you turn the tool further until the B line here. This line means that the tool will install the insert at 0.5 millimeter depth. Then if you look closely, there are two more lines, two smaller lines, one in front of the B and one after the B. These lines are for before the B 0.25 millimeter and after the B 0.76 millimeter installation depth. So now I will show you what this looks like. So as I said, firstly, you put the key locking insert on your Pro tool, then you put it in your parent material and turn it until it is almost or pretty much flush. You see here I am pretty much flush, and you will check this by using a straight edge. This is very important, so you have a good reference point to start from. So you see here my insert is not fully flush yet with the material. You can see this because there is an air gap between the parent material and my straight edge, and you can still wobble a little bit. So what you do is turn the insert a bit further by hand. See, I'm still not quite there. Turn it a bit further. And now you see I am there. The straight edge doesn't wobble anymore. So now what you do is grab a piece of tape to be able to mark your parent material and your starting point. Put this next to your insert. Grab a pen and you mark your starting point. Okay, so now when you have your starting point, you can put your Pro tool again on the insert with the A marking. You see this? And now you turn from A to B. Right there. And what you do now is take your hammer and tap the geese down. Take it off. Take off the tape. And now you see a perfectly installed insert according to Boeing and Airbus spec. The most important part about this tool is that there is no damage at all to the surface and counter bore, which is very important for the quality inspection of these aerospace programs. Thank you for watching, and if you want more info regarding our Pro tool, you can find this at clinserts.com. Thank you.